So the next one, I will uh, combine all the measures together in the elastic uh, template. So the reason is because in this view, you can break down the measure like this, but if you want to do the other way around, which is to display the measure in front and then break down by the categories, it will be very difficult. It's impossible. So let us again one more time to copy this one here to here, and then we can compare like for like the two methods. I change this one to elastic. So in the elastic measure, I only need one more measure, which is the master. So I will introduce a new one, which is the master in here. And then as of now, I will make it a dummy numbers, and later you can see the difference. Okay, so the master table will come in here. I don't want to use many measure, just one master, which is enough already. And then let me show you why this is the case. And then this one, I will break it down by market also. Okay, so after this, I can mm, I can edit the master. So the motivation here is just to combine all the measures together. So COGS and then sale. Let me add one more, which is volume, and then also do the same thing, and then you can see uh, it will be more repetitive if you have the. I change this one to volume and then done. Okay, so we have three measures and we need to combine all three of them together in the same view. So the trick is we need a COA table, so the chart of account. So you need to model and then new table in here, B2, which is COA, the chart of account. And then this one, I will use a step writing method to show you the steps. So step number one, I will make a table of one row, which is the KPI name, KPI code. In this case, I will use sale, and then KPI name, KPI label. I will use sales like this in 1000, and then KPI rank. I will keep rank one for this table or this row. So you can do row one also. So I just copy for the other three rows. So step two and step three. So sales COGS and then volume. Label will be COGS and then volume. And then rank will be rank 2 and rank 3. And then I will step number 4. I will combine all the three together. Step 2 and then step 3 all together, and then I will return step 4. Okay, so this is very clear, hopefully, because you have the formula step by step, and then after this, I only need to fix the master here to follow the KPI. So I switch the selected value of the B2 KPI code. If the code is sale, then I will bind to the sale. And then if it's the COGS, I will bind to the COGS. And then similarly to the volume. And then other than that, I will give 0. Okay, so I'm done with the measure. You can see other this one will be zero all the way because there's no value at the moment. So if the moment I drag this one over here, the label over here, you can see it will make my view like this. So it will buy all the value for me already. And then similarly, if I drag the labels in here and then expand it, you can see the master measure already. Okay, so for this view, the total doesn't matter anymore, so we can get rid of the total later. But then the next thing I need to do is just to format this one into one decimal place. Actually, this one is not simple to format because later if you combine the percentage and everything, it will be very difficult. But for now, it's okay to show you that actually we can have an option to do this. And then I want to make the sale and then the COGS and volume order. So I just click on the label and then I sort by the KPI rank. So it will sort everywhere, all the views. You can see here sale COGS volume, sale GOZ volume, and then I get rid of the total, and then that's all I need to do now. So total. So I think the row total is not important anymore. Actually, in this case, I only need to get rid of the bottom total. So I will make the row here, the row subtotal here. I will make it the level one off. So it will go disappear. It will disappear the last. Oh, this one I cannot copy. I have to do it one by one. So again per row off, and then that's it. So this is how you do mm, the elastic view. So this one is very elastic because uh, when you when you change the order, it won't change the numbers inside. So for example, if you want to switch the label upfront in here and then expand the view, you can see uh, everything is broken down by the category first and then the value later. This one is the other way around. So you can see two options in this case. Okay, so hopefully after this you understand, you know how to design an elastic template in just two steps. Step number one is to define the table of COA table, which is a chart of accounts, and the second step is to write the measure, master measure, to combine all the scatter uh, value together. I don't think I need the minus in there. I just accidentally click the minus, and then we are done. So two steps, the COA table and the master measure.